it in. So what happens when magma turns, when it gets on the land? What does it turn into? Lava. And then it turns to stone, which helps form the land on our Earth, right? Well, if it did, we couldn't do it in the classroom. Still bubbling on the inside. That central conduit is bubbling. It's irritated in there. It says, I'm going to blow up. Let's see if it has any more to do. Look. Therefore, the rest won't fit in there, will it? It is more white than red, isn't it? But on the tray, it's a pink color. Okay, come and take a look at our central